Hello everyone, it's Rochelle and I'm back with another embroidery design for you. Today it's going to be a hummingbird, but not a hummingbird as we saw in my first hummingbird embroidery. This is more of a still hummingbird. So you can see the more of the feathers, a little more of the colors, actually a lot more of the colors. And the design came from zdigitizing.com and is easy to purchase using the link in the description below. And by using my referral link, you will receive a 50% discount on your first purchase. Isn't that nice? I think so. Just copy and paste it in your browser and boom, it takes you right there to their website where you can order this design or other pre-made designs that they have. And if interested, you can also have them to digitize your personal designs or even vector them. So don't delay, use the link and get that discount while you're doing your shopping. Now this design has 7 beautiful colors, and when completed, it's approximately 4 inches across by 4 inches high. Of course, you can change the colors to any combination that you like and to get a different look. I love the green wings. I think they kind of set the whole thing off, and that those 2 color blues that are combined, they do well too with the design. Nature is beautiful, isn't it? As we get all finished up, I will go ahead and clean up the leading threads, and then we can take a nice look at the finished design. So thank you. I want to thank you for coming and being attentive and watching how this plays out. Also, if you would, please share this video with others, like and subscribe if you're interested. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss my future videos. In the meantime, as I said, go over and watch the previous hummingbird video with design, also from zdigitizing.net, and let me know in the comments which one you prefer, which one you like better. Maybe you just like both of them. In any case, see you in the next video, and remember, every day above ground is a good day, so you might as well enjoy it. Thank you. See you soon.